Today, we've got a really exciting topic to discuss: how to make money online as a stock photographer. In this video, we'll cover everything from getting started to optimizing your earnings in the world of stock photography. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first step in making money as a stock photographer is, of course, getting started. While you don't need the most expensive gear, having equipment that can capture high-resolution images is crucial. 1.2. Photo editing skills. You'll also need to become proficient in photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom to enhance and optimize your photos. 1.3. Legalities and copyright. It's essential to understand copyright laws and licensing. Make sure you have the right to sell the photos you take and be aware of any legal restrictions. Once you have your photography skills and equipment in place, the next step is choosing the right stock photography platforms to sell your work. Here are some popular options. 2. 1. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the largest and most well-known stock photo platforms. It offers a vast customer base and a chance to earn royalties on your images. 2.2. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock integrates seamlessly with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it a great choice for photographers already using Adobe software. 2.3. Getty Images. Getty Images is known for its high-quality standards and can be an excellent platform for professional photographers. 2.4. Other platforms. There are many other platforms like iStock, Alamy, and 500px that you can explore as well. Now that you've chosen your platforms, it's time to capture and upload your photos. 3.1. Niche selection. Consider focusing on specific niches or themes to stand out. This can help you cater to a targeted audience. 3.2. Image quality. Ensure that your photos are of the highest quality possible. Stock agencies have strict image quality guidelines. 3.3. Metadata and keywords. Accurate metadata and keywords are crucial. These help potential buyers find your photos, so be thorough in your descriptions and tags. To maximize your earnings, you'll need to promote your portfolio. 4.1. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and even your own website or blog to showcase your work. 4.2. Networking. Connect with other photographers and stock photo contributors. They can offer advice and even collaborate on projects. Lastly, let's talk about how to maximize your earnings as a stock photographer. 5.1. Consistency. Consistently upload new photos to keep your portfolio fresh and relevant. 5.2. Trends. Stay updated with photography trends and capture images that are in demand. 5.3. Exclusive content. Some platforms offer higher royalties for exclusive content. Making money online as a stock photographer is entirely possible with dedication and hard work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on photography and online business.